Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today's video contains the 5 Amazon new home gadgets. This month that will amaze you, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. If you like the video, please subscribe and click the bell icon to be the first to see my new videos. Thanks, so let's start the video.
Greenco 5-tier floating corner. Shelves offer a stylish and functional storage solution for any space. With 5 shelves, these corner shelves provide ample room for displaying items while optimizing corner spaces. The heavy-duty construction ensures durability and stability, allowing for a weight limit of up to 11 pounds per shelf. Measuring at 7.75 inches deep by 7.75 inches wide by 48.5 inches high, the dimensions of these shelves are suitable for various items such as books, photo frames, and decorative pieces. The rustic style adds a charming touch to any room, making it versatile for different home decor themes. Designed with the youth age range in mind, these floating shelves are ideal for bedrooms, dorm rooms, or any space where storage is needed without compromising style. Assembly is required, but the simple setup process ensures that you can enjoy these shelves in no time. To maintain these shelves, simply wipe them with a dry cloth to keep them clean.
The Furino Hermite wall-mounting folding table is a versatile and space-saving solution for various needs. With dimensions of 1732D into 23.62W into 14.68H, this table provides a compact yet functional surface for everyday use. The maximum weight recommendation of 50 pounds ensures that the table can support your items securely. Its white color adds a touch of elegance to any room, blending well with different interior styles. Maintenance is hassle-free, as all you need to do is wipe it with a dry cloth. It is essential to avoid using harsh chemicals to preserve the table's finish and integrity over time. Whether you need extra workspace in a small room, a minimalist desk solution, or a convenient table for various tasks, the Furino Hermite wall-mounting folding table offers durability and functionality. Its practical design and sturdy construction make it a practical choice for anyone seeking a reliable folding table for everyday use.
Brier Decorative 24. Hexagon hanging wall mirror is a sophisticated addition to any living space. Crafted by Brier, this mirror boasts a unique hexagonal shape, measuring 20.7 inches in length and 23.8 inches in width. The frame is made of high-quality wood, adding a touch of elegance and warmth to the overall design. This hanging wall mirror is not only a practical accessory, but also serves as a stylish decor piece that can enhance the aesthetics of your living room. The hexagonal shape adds a modern and chic touch to any wall it graces, making it a versatile choice that can complement various interior styles. The dimensions of the mirror make it an ideal size for creating a focal point in your living room without overpowering the space. Whether used on its own as a statement piece or as part of a gallery wall arrangement, the Brier Decorative Hexagon hanging wall mirror is sure to impress with its quality craftsmanship and timeless appeal.
The Switchbot Smart Automatic Curtain Opener is a convenient solution for automating your curtains, adding a touch of modernity and sophistication to your home. With a customer review rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars based on 13 ratings, it is evident that users are satisfied with its performance. This device not only simplifies your daily routine, but also enhances the functionality of your living space. The Switchbot Smart Automatic Curtain Opener is designed to seamlessly integrate into your home automation system, making it an ideal choice for tech-savvy individuals seeking to elevate their living experience. Ranked at number 617,546 in Tools, Law, Home Improvement, and number 244 in Home.
The Even Naturals. Luxury Mosquito Net Bed Canopy is a top-quality product by Even Naturals designed to offer ultimate protection against mosquitoes and other insects while also adding a touch of elegance to your bedroom. This particular canopy is in the king size, ensuring ample coverage and comfort for your bed. The material used is of high quality, featuring extra fine holes at 300-inch 2, making it both soft and durable. The white color and modern style blend seamlessly with various bedroom decors, maintaining a sophisticated look. The design of this bed canopy not only serves a functional purpose by keeping mosquitoes at bay, but also enhances the overall ambiance of the room. The attention to detail is evident in the craftsmanship of the canopy, which reflects the brand's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Whether you are looking to create a cozy and mosquito-free sleeping environment, or simply add a decorative element to your bedroom, the Even Naturals luxury